Hi, this is Dory, and I'm Mena. We travel with our lovely dog Fiona to discover the most beautiful locations, and our goal is to share with you what it's like to live as a nomad. Thanks for watching, and welcome to our channel. Hello beautiful people! If you're new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified of each new video. If you missed our last video, we made our way to a camping spot in Palenque to explore the impressive Mayan pyramids. Besides exploring this intoxicating site, Mena got to visit with a howler monkey and Dory met a fellow traveler. In this video, we check out Palenque's other main attractions, the waterfalls. If you didn't already know, Chiapas is a waterfall playground and we visit the top 3 waterfalls in 3 short days.
So it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe a little later. Yeah, about 2. No, I think it's, let me see. I got the phone right here, my neck. It's actually 3:20. Oh boy. And after we finish running our errands, and I'm pretty much done for the day working, we decided to come and check out a waterfall. The waterfall is about 40 minutes from the campground, so not so bad, maybe half an hour from Palenque, the little town. And we were nearby. Half an hour drive is not that bad, and it's called Cascadas de Misol-Ha. Misol-Ha. Misol-Ha? Misol-Ha. Yeah. Good thing about it is pet friendly. We paid, there was 2 gates. There was one gate, not sure if it was an official gate or not, but it was 20 pesos each. And the second gate was 40 pesos each. Entrada, enter.
We're starting to see it. The excitement is brewing.
It's right there.
Oh man, that's really tall.
Wow, could actually go behind the falls. Did you enjoy it?
That was beautiful. It was like pressing the reset button.
Oh, we needed that.
Yeah, felt good.
So unexpected. Hey, good morning guys. So today we are Thursday and I'm happy to tell you that we are leaving this campground. A little bit tricky to get here, but we're getting. Oh, there we go. We got this lovely thing again.
No, no, gracias. No, I don't know why. No, no, I. No, gracias. No, gracias. No, no, gracias. No. I. Cuidado, cuidado, cuidado.
Yeah. Trickiest part is these little guys who close the roads with ropes and they hang on to your car. It's not that we don't want to give, we literally don't have any change. And never open your window all the way down because
Stick your hand in their hands.
they want to hold on to something, so do not open your window. Yeah, there's a lot of paying tolls. I think we went to at least 3. 1, 2, 3. The last one looked official, but it was not official.
So apparently this is the one that's official.
Luckily, they gave us change for 500 pesos.
Yeah.
So here's another one.
Yeah, here's another one.
Yeah, so this is the official one, I would think. Not sure. Sí, ¿cuánto?
40 por persona.
40?
No, esa parte.
Oh, esa parte.
Sí.
40?
Sí.
Luckily for us, the first guys gave us some change for the 500 pesos because
Yeah.
I was a little, not afraid, concerned
Yeah.
that they would just keep it,
Yeah, right?
you know, since it was not official.
Another day, another waterfall. Gotta say, there are a lot of merchants here and, you know, kids trying to sell stuff. Which begs the question, why aren't they in school? Anyway, who knows? Maybe COVID. So we got lots of little restaurants and shops, lots of coco frio, which I love. Yeah, I'm gonna go check out the falls. Oh my gosh, I can already see the beautiful turquoise waters of this waterfall. Oh wow, oh my gosh, look at that. That is really amazing. Wow, what a treat. You know, I thought it was going to be brown because it rained yesterday, but it's turquoise. Let's go see this up close. Oh my God, guys. Mind blown again. Oh, can you look at this? Just look at this. Oh my goodness. Spectacular. Is that a selfie or what? Wow. So I found the swimming area. Here it is. Although we are not swimming today, because we're taking turns, so it's a little bit awkward to do so. But I'm still so glad I got to get all the way up here. It's pretty cool. Oh, actually, I think there's a little bit more over there. Let's go see. Scratch that. I found another swimming area. This one seems to be more popular with the tourists. Oh, there we see the rare tourists in their natural habitat.
Here's an adventure, here's a change. It might take a minute, but you'll be a-okay. Here's a sky for the pie and everything is possible. Out of the box and off of the page. Hey, look in the mirror, is it calling your name? Have you ever seen something so wonderful?
That's it for Agua Azul. That was beautiful. We didn't have an opportunity to swim here, mainly because parking is so far from the actual site, and you know, we didn't really want to take a chance leaving the van here, although I'm sure it's safe. Just rather not take a chance. There weren't many tourists here when we got here, but a few oh wow, a whole bunch of buses. So like 3 small buses and 1 huge mega one right there is pulling in right now. So they're gonna be quite busy today, which is good because this place looks pretty empty, you know, COVID times. That's it for this spot. Now on to Robert Barrios.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
3 days, 3 waterfalls. It's just how I like it.
So we are where? Where are we?
Cascadas Roberto Barrios.
Actually, there's 2 sides to this. This one is in the campgrounds. We pay 200 pesos for the campgrounds. Can you hear the falls? So I'm anxious to see this one. Like I said, there's 2 sides to this. There's one over there that's super touristy. It's the same one apparently. That's what I read on the reviews. However, it's way more busier. This one is a little bit more private. Hey Fee, no leash, like a big girl. It is kind of cool to have this by yourself though.
Yeah, it's awesome. We have the whole place to ourselves. We can come with us. We can do the hike as a family, and you can't put a price on that. Really.
There's no better place to be. Out on a limb and taking the stage. Here's one for the masses. They'll be laughing for days. Have you ever heard something so wonderful? The world is yours. Yeah, it's your time. Finish line, you've got what it takes. Don't put on the brakes, guys. The world is yours. Yeah, it's your time. To the finish line, you've got what it takes. Don't put on the brakes, guys. The world is yours.
What I like about these waterfalls is that you actually hike. You're hiking outside and you hear the noise and so many different viewpoints. You never know what you're gonna find. And it's not like a crazy hike that you have to, you know, walk for kilometers to see something interesting.
We're signing off from Cascadas Roberto Barrios. It's been beautiful here, a great camping spot, a great place to hike in the morning. so cool. And now we're gonna leave you with a few scenic shots of the falls.